Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about an exciting topic. Mobile repair training at the Asansol Skill Development Academy. Located in Asansol, West Bengal, this academy is a certified center for mobile repair training, with a stellar 4.9-star rating. It's no wonder this institution has gained such popularity. Their courses cover all aspects of mobile repair, from hardware to software, ensuring you'll be equipped with all the skills you need. Their 3-month full course on mobile repair costs just $14,999 and includes a completion certificate. This is the perfect opportunity for those looking to embark on a career in mobile repair. By enrolling in this course, you'll not only learn critical skills, but also gain valuable experience in the field. If you're interested in upskilling yourself or pursuing a new career path in mobile repair, consider enrolling at the Asansol Skill Development Academy. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time.